Hello guys, this is my first grill DIY project, and I install also a synchronous motor, 20 volts, 15 watts and 5 RPM. This synchronous motor can handle up to 20 kilos, and I did try to cook a 3 kilos pork belly lechon, and I didn't encounter any problem. The motor turned constantly without failure. So that's all for now guys. I hope that you learned something what I shared, and if you have questions, kindly please comment to the comment section box and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.